Okay, here we are, October 6, 2010, and the fish are jumping. We're gonna catch something here. You look at those splashes out there, if you can see them. I don't know if... Okay, if you just look between here and the island, there's fish jumping closer to the island through all in between. There's one right there. There's some. There's Mark in his Clemson shirt.
Well, Georgia's no good. Then they will.
Right there. All those splashes are fish schooling. Okay, catch something, Mark.
There we go.
There we go. All right.
Number 9 in 20 minutes.
Let's see where he is here. There he is. How long did that take? About a minute? Not long.
Take one of these.
Let me see. Yeah, that ain't a bad one though. Let's see the cooler. Let's see what the cooler looks like in there. Woo, we already got what, 9?
Yeah.
9 in about 20 minutes. I think I just got another one.